Hey, it's your pal here, and today I'm talking about something a bit personal: hair loss. Yes, it's tough, it can really knock your confidence. But hang tight because I've got some uplifting news for you. Imagine getting your confidence back with a cutting-edge solution called Sapphire Hair Transplants. And what if I told you, you could do this in the picturesque landscapes of Sri Lanka? Sounds like a dream. Well, it's very much possible. So what's the deal with Sapphire FUE? This isn't your average hair transplant. We're talking about a minimally invasive procedure using tools that are sharper and smoother than traditional ones. These advanced sapphire blades make tiny, precise incisions, setting the stage for natural-looking hair and faster recovery. Less pain, less scarring, and guess what? More dense, beautiful hair. Now let's jet over to Sri Lanka, an island that's more than just stunning beaches and lush landscapes. I'm zooming in on Keshatransplant, a gem of a clinic where this high-tech hair restoration isn't just effective, it's also affordable. Their seasoned team ensures you're in good hands, and hey, the savings compared to Western clinics are pretty sweet. But there's more to it than just great value. Picture this: recuperating from your procedure, coconut in hand, sun setting over a serene Sri Lankan beach. It's not just a treatment, it's a retreat. A moment to pause, rejuvenate, and when you head back home, you're not just carrying souvenirs, but a whole new look, a whole new you. So why wait? Reclaim your hair, reclaim your confidence. Book that dream hair restoration trip to Sri Lanka. Trust me, it's a game changer. Catch you on the rejuvenated side.